Buddy, good morning. It's Monday, 9:15 a.m. My eye. Marked out weekly highs, whatever. Marked out daily low or previous day low. We have Asian opened up yesterday and we gapped up higher. Now we did come down a little bit, and I mean we kind of just been kind of fucking around. Um, I marked out London and Asian low, and that's really it. I mean, there's not a whole lot going on. Um, Bias is, I don't know. I do think, I mean, the new week opening gap is always a strong magnet for price, so I just don't know if you would count it at the bottom of this wick. And if you do, I mean, it kind of did fill it a little bit, but I don't know. We're going to see what happens once New York opens and see if there's a clear direction in price. Market opens up in 15 minutes. We don't have any news. We have Federal Chairman Powell speaking on Wednesday. Thursday's unemployment claim. So we're kind of uneventful in news this week, unless Trump tweets something. But I saw this here, and I was like, we disrespected the 15 and this 5. I was like, I think we're going to London low. Nope, maybe we're just saving it, and we're just generating all this fucking low resistance liquidity here to run it through, I actually want to mark this out, to run it when New York opens. But we'll see. We will see. We already swept this out. Yeah, we have an SMT. Uh, so I'm not gonna lie, I think today I might look for shorts down into into that, this area, like London and low and then whatever. So I'm kind of leaning towards shorts down to London and Asian low and then down here. We'll see if that happens though. So I'm gonna see you guys when stock market opens. Um, Shit, I'll see you guys then. I have class, so if I don't, um, and I gotta leave. Hold up, wait, let me think. I won't be able to trade the PM session because I'll be home 1:30-ish. I mean, I could trade it for like 30 minutes or like an hour. So I have to leave my house. I'm gonna leave probably around 3. So, I mean, I could trade PM if I want, but I gotta get ready. Gotta shave. I'm getting distracted, chat. I don't know. I think shorts aren't a bad look. I mean, right now we have an SMT. We had an SMT here with this high, which is where I wanted to see us maybe take London low, but we didn't. We came close. We're just generating all this with fucking liquidity. So I'm gonna see you guys when New York opens in a couple minutes, and I'm gonna see you guys actually when I take a trade, and we'll see how I do. But we might come up, take out buy side, or maybe keep the SMT in place, but then after this start to come down. That's the goal. I don't think we go much higher than up here, at least not on a Monday, because this is the weekly high right there. It's pretty close, but I don't think we'll take that on Monday. So I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. I just want to hop on here and talk about. I mean, I was right. Market open, and we just decided we took out that level buy side, that I said was kind of, I mean, it was an S&T, but the S&T got fucking fucked. But we did sweep out that high, and then we just kind of shit the bed. Now I'm looking back on it, and you could have entered here because 5 minute order flow, like 5 minute bullish order flow, kind of got disrespected. Like a little risky, you could say it got disrespected right here, right, with this inverse. Or if you wanted to play a little bit safer, you could probably, I mean, it would be like over here. But on this candle closure, when this 935 candle closed, that's extreme bearish, you know. So like if we got a retracement, definitely would have shorted. But I mean, a little bit risky. You could have shorted here because we had this 5 minute inverse tapped into it, and we had this 1 minute fair value gap. So if price action on the 5 minute is bearish, you could look for a 1 minute entry. You got it right here, targeting that London low. Now this was a nice trade. Only thing is, I mean, if your stop loss should be up there, which is 57 points. So it would be something like this. And I actually might have been stopped out here. Because you were up 40 points at one point, and then if you moved your stops to break even, you would have been stopped out. Unless you just held. Actually, wait a minute. I probably, even if I did take that, I might have been stopped out at break even. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I would have gone break even like once we tapped into this 5 minute, which we did. So I don't know if I don't know. It might have been break even stop there. However, I kind of like this. Did we get this inverse? Oh my God, you should have been entered. I kind of like that for longs. I might take this on the combine. Kind of want to see it come down though, a little bit, but you should have entered around here. Stop, super okay. But I was fucking looking at oh my God, this is the thing that happens like all the time. I feel like we come down, we sweep out a major area of liquidity like a London low. We come up a little bit higher, right? Maybe some people are longing this, trying to get a V shape back up. We stop them out. We manipulate under these lows. We create this 1 minute bearish and inverse it with one fucking candle, and then we go higher. If we actually, let me see. Did we get a 1 minute fair value gap? Like, if I was taking this on my Express account, I would have entered with something like this, you know, and I would have gone probably break even, you know. But on my combine, maybe if we tap into this little 1 minute, or if we inverse this, bearish. So either inversing that, or this isn't really open, and it is, but it's very small. I might take a trade on, on actual video. I want to look at the book map for Nasdaq, low key. Just, I don't know. We do have a 5 minute fair value gap here, but are we gonna go lower? Maybe, but we're probably gonna at least fill in one of these fair value gaps. I think. Let me see. That one or that one. Do I want to enter long here? I'm not going to just enter long. I want to see if we get a bearish reaction or a bullish reaction. You know, because I don't want to take stupid trades, even on a combine. But that could have been like a nice little scalp. I mean, because this is what, 50 points? Yeah. If we inverse that, I'm going to get rid of the idea. I'm going to get rid of the idea if we inverse it. Let's see, though. But see how we inversed it on... Oh, actually, we didn't. But this always... Yeah, I think it's GG's. So I'm going to see you guys when I actually take a trade. It's during the macro. It's 9:52. Well, I mean, look, let's not get married. We have a 5 minute fair value gap, a 3 minute, 2 minute. Now, 1 minute inverse to the downside. If you think we're gonna go lower, which we didn't inverse on both pairs, so I would honestly wait. But I'm gonna see you guys when I actually take a trade. Alright, chat. I don't know. I said the next time you guys see me will be when I take a trade, but I haven't taken a fucking trade. But yeah, I'm starting this bitch. So I just want to explain something to you, gentlemen and ladies. Do you think ladies watch my? Nah, probably not. There's probably no ladies that watch my videos. Let's keep it. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it a buck. Um, but look, chat. So we're on. This is the 15 minute, right? Now we're still respecting it, and I would say price action is still bearish. You know, it's not really printing bullish price action on the 5. The 3 minute, I would say, still bearish. The 2 minute is bearish. Now the 1 minute and the 2 minutes where it gets a little indecisive. Um, However, I'm leaning more towards shorts, but like I don't know, like if you look, there's not really a clear direction in price right now. I mean, it was kind of obvious to me that we were gonna shit the bed and take London low. Um, but since taking London low, we, came up back up into a beautiful area to short. This is like an extreme discount to short, or premium to short in this 1 minute too. Um, but if you're taking this off a inverse of and entered here, you might have gone break even. I should say right here. But yeah, you would have gone break. Um, anyway, I just want to come on here and say that like I don't really know what price is gonna do, so I will not trade. I did take a trade on the combine. I think it was on video though, but I took a I think it was buys. Yeah, it was buys. Uh, what time was it? Can I help you, Luna? Want to say hi to my video? Come here. 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 Get up here. They can't see you. Come here. Luna. Woo! Hold up. Luna, want to say hi? Say hi. You're so cute. Uh-oh. Daddy's coming. Uh-oh. 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 Anyway. Okay. Um, I took a, what time was it? 10:07, I said? No, 9:57? 9:54. Oh, I remember. It's 30 seconds. This 30-second fair value gap here is what I entered on. And it actually ended up working out, but I went break even and I got stopped and I kind of got saved eventually. But anyway, so that was the trade I took. I think it was on video. But if I had to guess, I'm gonna say we're gonna go towards Asia low. It's just I don't want to trade this back and forth price action. So I'm probably not gonna take a trade before I leave for school unless price action clears up in the next few minutes. So if I don't take a trade now, I could let me charge my computer. I could take a trade in class and just do the video when I come back, or I'll just trade uh PM like around 1:30, which I honestly might do because every time I've taken a trade in uh in class, I think it's been like a fucking L. So I don't she left her already. I don't know if I'm gonna do anyway, so shit guys, I'm gonna see you guys later. If I had to guess, I'm gonna say I don't know, man. I actually don't know. I don't know. How's YN doing? Real quick. Yeah, Asia Low's all the way over. Holy fuck. What the fuck? What's with this random fucking crazy wick? at 11:05 p.m. Holy shit. We actually took out Asia. That's kind of crazy though. Damn, YM. What the fuck happened there? I don't know. But this is doing the same thing. Actually, this looks a little cleaner on the 5. Compared to NQ. NQ looks a little more indecisive, but this looks a lot more strong when it comes to going down. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys probably when I come back from class. So, a couple hours. Chat. Just a little recap. I didn't take a trade or any other trades. Um, I was at class from fucking I was a little late, so like around here, and I left around 12:50. So like around here, like what the fuck am I gonna do here? Came home around like 1:30. We never actually broke strip. Oh, actually we did. I didn't really see anything that I liked, and then I was not paying attention from 2 o'clock onwards. I mean, if you just look, it's not. It's just a slow move up, you know. So whatever. I didn't take a trade today. I don't really care. My targets were right. I just couldn't really find an execution. Shorting right at like market open basically, or like right here wasn't bad, but that's I like to wait a little bit longer. And then during the macro, I mean there was a I don't know why this is empty, but this is an inverse. You could have entered there, you know, and you would have gotten, you know, about 40 points, some calm shit. Sideways, sideways. We had this inverse too. And then like shorts here wasn't bad. 1050, but I was in a car. We tapped. Did we tap into that? No, we didn't. But maybe ES did. Yeah, ES did. So actually, a little SMT too. But SMT, we broke structure, fair value gap, targeting Asian lows, and that was the only clean setup that I really see. Like besides just shorting here, which didn't work. Don't really have an explanation on why. You know, it's just one of those things, but it didn't work, I guess. We even inversed this little 5 minute. I don't know, but shorts right here was not bad. Targeting Asian, and I think it went lower than Asia, but I don't know. And we just kind of consolidated, um, and now we're slowly going back up. So no trade today. That's fine. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we have no news really again. Tuesday. All right. I'm gonna see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe, babes. But shit, guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning.